Welcome back. It's your lousy traveling Florida gardener. This video here is going to be the introduction to our raised bed gardening. The type of raised bed I'm going to do is, I believe, called Hugelkulture. That might not be pronouncing it right, but you can find that and look it up. So this video isn't so much on how to build a raised bed. There's many designs on that. I'm going to show you the raised beds that I'm building that I'm going to use for our Hugelkulture project to test. You could use any kind of bed. I have deer problems, so for me to grow vegetables, I have to have them enclosed. I want a raised bed. That's the reason I'm going to a raised bed. I'll explain to you later on as we're doing another video on the Hugelkulture why I chose that type of raised bed. This is a simple bed. It's 2 by 12 high. It's 4 foot by 8 foot by 4 by 4 corners. I took deck boards, made doors, so that I can easily get to my vegetables. My doors are sling open. I can access my bed from either side. I'm going to build multiple beds. This particular bed here now, it was supposed to sit for 3 months before I touched it. I just couldn't wait that long. I got some turnip and some mustards in it. They're doing pretty well. Actually got the drip system on them now. So, as I said, what we're going to be doing in these videos is going to be more about a type of raised bed. So I'm not going to get into those thousands of videos on the internet about building raised beds. I just wanted you to have an idea of what I'm going to be working with that has nothing to do with the Hugelkulture. Come over here to one I'm currently building. This second bed that you see I'm building here is actually getting built sooner than I had planned. I had only posted a few little snaps of these on my storyline on Facebook, and apparently one of my followers wanted to see what a Hugelkulture bed would do with onions. I said, I got that coming probably next year. He asked me how much it was going to cost to build the bed. I told him. He brought me 5 $100 bills. Just asked me to do videos on YouTube. I wasn't originally going to put these beds on YouTube, but I'm going to because of him. I don't have a Patreon page. I'm not looking to make money, but he offered the money for me to do the bed, and all he wanted in return was for me to video it, put it on YouTube where you could watch the progress. That's what we're going to do. That's going to be an onion bed. So as I go along with it, I'm going to show you the process. I'm building it the exact same way. 4x4s, 2 by 12, 4 by 8 box. Ain't no genius to it. It ain't even square. Neither way is this one. Don't need to be. They're gonna look good. They're gonna function. I'm lining each one with plastic. I'll take you through the process after I get it built in a video and show you the Hugelkulture process that we're gonna use in it. Appreciate y'all joining me and tune in. We got a lot of experiments coming up. We're gonna be hopping this fall. The rain's backing off. Everything's finally getting out where I can do some videos. See y'all next time.